Guys, we're gonna see the results. See what it does. See what it goes off at all. Pretty good, coming off pretty quick. That's a good sign. Look here. There we go. Oh, I see some spotting. We might have a winner chicken dinner. Okay. Alright guys, use a wire brush mainly. Thicker, heavy dutier the better. I use this as well. It's a little softer. It doesn't get the job done like this, but this helps top it off. So both of these things would be great to use, but this is number one. Alright, we're going to see what's inside going on. All right, we're going to soak it another night and show you the results tomorrow.